Hey guys, what's up? I just got this power bank in the mail from Amazon and thought I would open it up, take a look with you, see what we got here. Feels pretty weighty, pretty heavy duty, which is nice. I always like to feel that. You know, when you open something up, you never know if it's going to feel like lightweight and low quality, but this one feels heavy duty and a really nice quality. Wow, I love that on the back. And a 2-year warranty option, so that's pretty sweet. And then we've got the instruction booklet there. I'm assuming the cord is under here. Yep, we've got a little charger. Pretty standard, right? You've got your USB-C port, which will plug into here to charge it, and then just regular USB on the other side. Okay, so then here we have, again, here USB-C and USB, which I'm assuming these are the ones that that you plug this in to charge it. Let's peel this off the front. I always love this, so satisfying, right? Woo, it'll never look that pretty again. So this has kind of like a matte texture to it on the front here, and then gosh, I love that you've got like all these cords right here. Look at this. This is the older iPhone charger. This is USB-C. This one is going to be, let me see how I pull this out of here. Yeah, it just pops right out. That's going to be, I don't see as many things with this anymore. But that will come in handy if you ever need that one type, right? Like there are still some things out there that use that type of end. And then let's see what this one is up here. Wow, I don't even know what that's for. That's pretty cool. So you got a lot of different charging options. I almost always use USB-C. Yeah, if I had a preference, I'd have that multiple times on here instead of some of these, but I hardly ever charge more than one thing at a time anyway, so that's pretty nice. Yeah. I'm loving how handy this is. It's pretty slim. I mean, you can see it's about the size of my hand. A little bit shorter and a little bit slimmer. And then you've got this here. Let's go ahead and power it on and see if it came charged. Let's see. Oh, I just needed to tap it once. 73% charge, which is pretty nice. Don't even need to charge it up to get started. Yeah, this is pretty sweet. I'm pretty excited about it. I travel everywhere, so I just need the ability to charge. You know, not every airplane you can do that on. Sometimes some airports don't even have good handy outlets for people, so having something like this is pretty paramount. Anyway, I hope this was helpful for you, and I hope you have a great day.